Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best smart locks. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Schlage Encode Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The Schlage Encode Wi-Fi lock is chunkier and noisier than most of the locks on this list, and its app is inelegant and slow. But its design will match a Schlage door set, which is important for some people. It's also the best option for Amazon Alexa and Ring households. It integrates with Amazon Key home delivery service, and you can lock and unlock the Encode from within the Ring app while viewing a live feed from your Ring doorbell, and it can also be unlocked with Alexa voice commands. It does work with Google Home too. With Wi-Fi on board, it's also a very simple, easy-to-install door lock. It's an excellent choice for someone who wants a basic smart lock that will fit with their existing door hardware. All the standard features are here: remote unlocking, guide access, voice control, auto-locking, and shareable access codes. It does have a sizable rear housing though, and is noisy as all get out. Number 7 in my list is Lockly Vision Smart Lock. The Lockly Vision Elite is a smart lock with a video doorbell. It's a very good smart lock, but its video doorbell capabilities are compromised by being crammed inside a lock. Motion detection is spotty, and it lacks people or package detection, but it does a better job of seeing who is at your door than any other lock on this list. It's the only smart lock and video doorbell combo I recommend right now. Although I just started testing the Eufy Video Smart Lock, which is $399, so it's the lock to buy for now if you don't have the space, setup, or patience to install 2 separate devices. As a lock, it is excellent, with a keypad, fingerprint reader, keyhole and app, and voice control options for locking and unlocking. It's the only lock in this guide that uses rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, plus it comes with a replacement battery pack and an incorporated solar panel for trickle charging. Number 6 in my list is Level Lock Smart Lock, the Level Lock Touch, and the Level Lock Plus. The level bolt is completely invisible. It fits entirely within the existing deadbolt, so you can keep the interior and exterior hardware you already have. The Level Lock, Lock Touch, and Lock Plus replace the whole deadbolt but still look like traditional door locks with keyholes. There is no branding at all. This is the only smart lock I've tested that isn't a tiny advertisement on my front door. All 4 are Bluetooth only for now, with no Wi-Fi connectivity, so you have to connect to Apple Home or Amazon Sidewalk Network for extra features. This means you need a supported Ring device, such as the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, or an Apple Home Hub like a HomePod Mini to control the lock remotely. There's no Google Home support yet, but Level recently revealed that all its locks will be firmware updated to support Matter over Thread. There's no timeline for the update, but when that arrives, it will bring compatibility with all major smart home platforms. Number 5 in my list is Ultraloq U-bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock. My favorite way to unlock a door is with my fingerprint. It's the fastest, most reliable, and easiest option. It's also impossible for my children to forget their fingers, although a Verge editor said the lock doesn't recognize his younger children's prints. But fingerprint unlocking alone doesn't give you good options for visitors, which is why I like the U-bolt Pro Wi-Fi. In addition to the fingerprint reader, the U-bolt Pro Wi-Fi has a keypad, and if you really want, a hidden guide lock. It also has auto unlock using a smartphone, but this didn't work in my testing. It has Wi-Fi built in, so it can connect to Amazon Alexa and Google Home for voice control and smart home automations, but it doesn't support Apple Home. The U-bolt Pro is much more compact than other keypad locks with fingerprint readers. The Eufy Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi has a keyhole, a keypad, and a fingerprint reader, and it's bigger than an iPhone 14 Pro Max. The U-bolt Pro is compact and relatively discreet on my front door. It does, like most smart locks, insist on branding your door, but the logo isn't super prominent. Number 4 in my list is SwitchBot Smart Lock. This funky-looking, retrofit smart lock is for anyone who can't or does not want to mess with their existing door lock in any way, shape, or form. Essentially a tiny robot hand that unlocks your door. The $99 SwitchBot lock goes over a deadbolt's existing thumb turn and sticks to the door with super-strength double-sided tape. You can then lock or unlock it over Bluetooth from a phone or Apple Watch, or use the existing key. It is not an elegant solution, but it works, and it's the easiest smart lock I've installed, taking under 5 minutes to get set up. A $40 SwitchBot hub adds Wi-Fi to connect with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. No Apple Home. It also adds remote control when you're away from home, voice lock and unlock with a PIN code, and the option to add the lock to smart home routines. It also enables notifications that tell you if the door has been left unlocked or ajar. The lock comes with a door sensor. Number 3 in my list is Wyze Fingerprint Smart Lock. If you don't care about smart home integration or would prefer a lock without it, the Ultraloq bolt is an excellent value. It's not sleek or stylish. It's just a big hunk of black plastic. It doesn't connect to Wi-Fi or integrate with any smart home systems, not even with Wyze's own gadgets. But it does have an easy-to-use, backlit keypad and a lightning-fast fingerprint reader. It'll auto-lock if you want, and it's half the price of the Yale Assure Lock 2. In addition to the fingerprint reader and keypad, the Ultraloq bolt works over Bluetooth, and its range is very good. I was able to lock the door from my bedroom at the other end of the house using the Wyze app. That's important, as there's no way to lock the door on a schedule. It doesn't integrate with any smart home platforms such as Amazon Alexa or Google Home. But if you don't need to control your lock with your voice or plan to add it to any smart home routines, you won't really miss those features. It also delivers up to a year of battery life. But without Wi-Fi, I couldn't check on it or control it when I was away from home. So turning on the auto lock option is a must. If I wanted to let someone in while I was gone, though, I could give them an offline code that's generated in the Wyze app. Number 2 in my list is August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is an elegant retrofit door lock that replaces just your thumb turn. You keep your deadbolt, key cylinder, and lock exterior so you can still use your existing keys, and your door looks the same from the outside. Like the Yale Assure, it has auto-unlock technology. Yale and August are both owned by ASSA ABLOY, so it can be set to unlock itself when you walk up to your door. It also comes with a magnetic door sensor, so you know if it's open or closed. There is no built-in keypad, but August sells a compatible Bluetooth one, which is discounted when you buy it with the lock. Without the keypad, you need your phone or the key to unlock the door. The August lock is pricey for a retrofit lock, but it feels premium, thanks to an all-metal design. With its compact size, it doesn't stick out too much on the inside of your door, and it's attractive enough not to be an eyesore. The August works with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home and has Wi-Fi built in, so there's no need for an extra hub or bridge, as there is with the August Smart Lock Pro. Number 1 in my list is Yale Assure 2 Smart Lock. If you plan to use the Assure 2 lock with Alexa or Google Assistant, though, it's worth waiting for Yale's Matter over Thread module to arrive later this year instead of paying for the Wi-Fi version now. That module should be a quicker, more battery-efficient way to add Alexa and Google support to the Yale Assure 2. I will test it when it's available and report back. A Z-Wave module is also coming soon for the Yale Assure 2 to add compatibility with SmartThings hubs, Ring Alarm, and other Z-Wave hubs. As of publishing, Yale and Level are the only 2 lock manufacturers in this guide that have said they will support Matter, the new smart home standard, on existing locks. So if you are looking to future-proof your smart home, they are your best bet right now. The other electronic locks in this guide are all good options if you have specific needs not met by the Yale lock, such as fingerprint unlocking or Apple Home key support. You want something even more discreet, or you can't replace your entire deadbolt. Otherwise, the Yale Assure 2 is the lock to get. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.